Hi guys, welcome to Sadhis FDC and this is Manoj. Agenda of this video is to learn about page layout assignments in Salesforce and its demo. What is page layout assignment? Once we finish making the page layouts, we can assign different page layouts for different profiles and record types. Consider you have an employee object with a salary field. This should be visible to the users belonging to HR profile and not to other users belonging to different profiles. To achieve this, we can create two page layouts with the salary field and without the salary field and assign these two different page layouts to HR profile and not HR profiles. Let's see it in a demo. I chose employee details object in object manager and go to the page layouts. You can find two page layout. Here employee details page layout is an default one. Here I have added all the fields to the user can see it. And in non-HR layout, I just enabled 6 fields of employee details so that if I assign this particular page layout to non-HR profiles, they can only see these 6 fields. How to do that? To doing that, we need to go to page layout assignments. Click this button in page layout. Here it's showing all the profiles available in the org and defaultly it assigned employee details layout because that is the default layout of this object. Here, as I said earlier, employee details layout has all the fields enabled, but it has to be assigned only to HR because other users only have to see the 6 fields. So I have to assign non-HR layout to all other profiles. So edit assignment. Choose the page layout which you want to assign. Non-HR layout assigned to all the fields and choose a HR and now change it to employee page layout which has all the fields enabled and click save. Now we will see in the user level how it is displayed. I am going to show you a HR user. Login as a HR Hari. He is an HR user. For him, employee details page layout will be enabled. Click any record. Here you can see all the details. Salary, date and time, email ID and his age, percentage, everything he can see it. Now I will log out HR Hari and I will log in as another user. Once I logged out, I logged in as a system administrator user, Sadish Kumar Perisamy. Let me show you the page, the record how it is showing to him. Here you can see only the 6 details which is enabled in non-HR page layout. This is how the page layout assignment works. That's all about page layout assignment. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.